Taking you into the southernmost KOA down in Sugarloaf Key, Florida. At the KOA, we travel with a 45.3 foot trailer just to get an idea of fifth wheel. I was very nervous about coming here, but we got in very easy. There's a road over there, and this is coming into the entrance. Dog park, and a basketball court back here, and the playground. Laundry facilities. Beach area with a trampoline, a rock climbing, the bridge up there you can fish off of. The kids are enjoying the pool. They have a hot tub. They have a little bar here that serves pizzas and hot dogs and hamburgers. They have a little restaurant over there that serves breakfast and lunch. Boat launching ramps. They have kayaks, bicycles. They have a little boat dock here to keep your boats. A little bait and tackle store, bicycle rentals, another row of campers. You can see how nice the road is, how nice and wide. Plenty of room to make the turns, especially if you have a big rig that you're pulling. Coming up on the hub and pull area again. Give you a shot of some of the sites. That would be 2 campers right there. There's enough room to park your camper and have your truck beside it. If you squeeze it in there, you've got to get all the way over on your side. There's the pull area. This is the office. This road leads back to the entrance. We've got a little bathhouse in there. Coming up on our campsite. This is our campsite, and see how there's enough room to walk through there if you turn sideways. But it's a tight fit. Stuff to do here, and if you just like hanging out on the campground, it's about 20 miles from Key West. Well, hope you like my video of the KOA, and I'm doing this because I wish that someone would have been honest about the campground, because I read reviews and everybody was like, oh, it's so tight, and it got me really worried. But once we're here, it seemed okay.